All right, back with you once again here with some business financial notes or news. Now, I just looked at some news about SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, and let me tell you, they collapsed within 48 hours. You believe that? They collapsed within 48 hours, just like that. I mean, they're shut down by regulators for some reason. I don't know, but I would have to say that maybe they weren't raking in enough money, as they claim. And this is not good news for most businesses, say somewhere in the Silicon Valley area in California, because I think they were funding most startups, for business startups, like say tech companies. They're investing and funding in most tech startups in California. Now that the bank has collapsed, where are they going to go? It's pretty much over and done with for most tech companies that want to set up their businesses in California, maybe throughout the West Coast as well. West Coast. And they say this is the second biggest collapse in U.S. history when it comes to banking since the financial meltdown way back in around 2008 when Washington Mutual, another bank, they collapsed altogether. So it's not looking good right now for the state of California, particularly not looking good for the whole U.S. economy. So, I mean, when you have a bank that big with, I think, billions of dollars in assets collapsing right before your eyes, either some things are wrong. Either maybe they weren't having maybe they didn't have enough money, or maybe management weren't something to do with management. They weren't really controlling the assets or basically taking care of the assets very well. So it's unfortunate for their collapse, but it is what it is. I mean, they probably didn't change within the times when they had to. They kept probably the same management that made decisions that prevented this bank from developing or growing. It's with any, not just banks, with any business organization. But hey, I guess it's a lesson learned for the executives at the bank. That's all I have.